Welcome to Bobby Studio. I got so many requests about adding more subtitles language in app. The easiest way for you is to use external subtitles feature. In order to work, you need a website to download the subtitles and the app to read the text. Now you need to open the subtitles input screen. Go to the App Store and download app. Enter the keyword zip app free. Next step, you should find the website that you can download subtitled text for your language, for example. Enter the movie title or TV show you need. I choose Ocean's 8. I get the file for Spanish. Here it will download the zip file. Press open in Zip App Lite. Now you need to do is copy the contents of this file. The thing you need is this. Do not wait any longer. Copy it to BobbyMovie. Press Add button to make it available and offline as well. Everything is finished. Experience the features of the app. And don't forget to press subscribe button below the player to watch the next video. Thank you.